morning from the rooftop tent. So I know I told you guys in the last video that we're going to camp down at the lake. Unfortunately, Friday it absolutely poured rain, and the crossing that I normally use to get down there was completely flooded. And not only that, we went down there on Thursday and the mosquitoes were out of control, so it would not have been fun. So anyway, we decided to set up camp inside the yard. So I'm in the Bush Company rooftop tent right now. So my daughter slept in her rooftop tent just next door to me, which I'll show you that in a minute. If you haven't seen that video of me building that military trailer with the rooftop tent, just scroll back down through my channel. There may be some other videos and stuff that you haven't seen. So, and all this video today, guys, is all going to be on a GoPro, so something a bit different. So that's her little setup with the trailer. Bloody beautiful day. But if you can see that, this is the top of the canopy just here. This is a 1400 wide tent. This is why I want a 1600 wide tent to make it wider, and that's why I've had to step out my shower there as well with those custom brackets that the boys at Mitts made me to step the quick pitch shower out. So yeah, that big dead space there, it's at least, it'd have to be 200 mil at least on each side of the tent. So that's why I'd like, Dean, if you watch this, I'd like you to make a 1600 wide tent, alpha please, and I'll buy one. But I've got one of these ARB cargo pockets up here on the roof. You got a light just here, so you got white and then amber. The roof's all carpeted. Got my iPad here just for watching movies and stuff. That's the Mob Armor mount. So I've just drilled a plate into there, you can see that. It's got the Mob Armor plate there, and then that just magnetically goes back on there like that. And I can take that off, and the head of that swivels as well. So, and then the back of the iPad just has a magnet on it like that. You just stick it back up there and away you go. So, got these pockets here as well. These are Bush Company ones. So, I don't really have anything in them. At this stage, this center one here, I do have a torch in it. But, yeah, and that's my little power setup. So, it's just giving me my voltage of my battery. And I've just got USB and 12 volt cigarette. I've got the Darchi 1400 Cold Mountain canvas sleeping bag up here. Looks like a flannel. And then I've got just normal sheets in here. This is like it's like a soft, I guess like 50 mil topper. And then I got the Bush Company, I think it's a 75 mil high density foam mattress as well. So, right, let's jump out of the tent. Radio. So this is where we're set up last night. Had a fire going. Got the truck parked just there. Little military trailer. Got some new panels that I bought. Just testing these out. I think I've got a problem with buying solar panels. All these new ones come out online and they're just cheap, so I buy them just to test them and see if they're any good. But this is like a really thin panel. So it's basically the same setup as what you'd get with two big glass panels, foldables, but yeah, it's all soft material, and yeah, I'm getting really good results this morning out of these. So they aren't any brand, they're just a no-name brand off eBay. But I don't know, guys, I'm obsessed with trying this stuff. And yeah, I've got that many panels now. I've got this panel, I've got the panel that's on the roof of the rooftop tent, I've got the King's foldable panel, I've got a glass panel that's in the shed, I've got the other King's panel as well, that big flat one that I've been testing. So, well, while we're here, let's just let's plug the old Baintech reader into it. Just see what we're getting out of that little panel. It claims to be 300 watts, but I don't think so. Sorry, just trying to do this one-handed. So, wow. If you can read that, 8.24 amps. Just went down to 7. 8, peak. 17 volts. That's pretty good. So they got like this camo material on them. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you want me to do a review on them and let you know about them. But yeah, I'm just doing some testing today and isolated. So this is our little setup here. A little military trailer I built. A little rooftop tent on it for the kids. So cool little setup, nice and cheap. The tent was about $700, just my time, and there's probably about $150 worth of steel. The trailer was $750. Little King's awning on the side there. That was $100 or $80 or something. And then just rego, and I had to put a plug on it and obviously custom make this hitch on the front. But yeah, so that's kind of what's going on, guys. But come around this side of the truck. That's the new logo that I've been working on. So there'll be more coming with that soon. I'm thinking about doing some merch and stuff as well. And yeah, I think we're still going to change a few things on this yet. Change some wording and some of the colour gradient and stuff. But so what do we got going on here? So between the panel on the roof and that little panel I've got on the ground, we're pulling in 11.5 amps, guys. So that's pretty sick. Pretty happy with that. So that's that one up on the roof up there. So it sucks that we didn't go down and camp near the lake this weekend, but it would not have been fun at all because it's really shady down there. The mosquitoes were just out of control. The other day when I did the review on the fridge, there was none. There wasn't any down there. So tonight, what I'm thinking about doing is I'm going to have a fire. Might even do some cooking on the fire and stuff, but I've got some little torches here I want to test out too. This little Next Torch LU360. It's like a little lantern torch, so we'll give that a go tonight and see how that goes. It's on a magnet, so you can stick it to things. And then we've also got, I've just got this one on charge now, the PA5. So that the guys at Sheffield Group sent me to test out, so we'll give those two lights a bit of a go later tonight and see how they perform. But check out the battery, 97% with that 11.1 amps running in. Righto, we're gonna go get some wood for the fire tonight and go for a quick fish on the dam. Raptor. Big skibby. Big dopey. What's that up there on the road? Is that a branch? Just go open. Oops. Oops. Go right here, fish right here, yeah. You can literally just throw your hook over here with a bit of bread on it and they'll smash it within a couple of minutes, if not less than a minute. That didn't take long, did it?
Hello. Hello. Have the metal brick yet?
Put it in the grass there.
Stay. Nope. He did.
You want to hold the camera for me? Let's grab this line. Wherever it is. Oh, right out of his mouth. Little fishy. Rightio, got some wood. Just loaded up the fire. So this is a fire pit that I made a while back. Well, this is an old trommel out of the washery for a mine, and then I made up this. Once the wood burns down, I made this grill here to swing across onto the fire. So I'm going to go ahead now and get this bad boy going, and got the chairs already out. They've been out since yesterday. Go ahead now and get this lit up. Rightio, fire's going. Let it kind of burn down, get the coals kind of happening, and then got some steak and stuff in there. Might do some steak tonight on the grill. Should be a nice feed for the night. So this video is a bit different than my other ones. Just thought I'd bring you along, just get the GoPro and the mic, and just show you what I'm doing for the Easter weekend. You guys are probably stuck at home and you might have your own property doing your own thing. So let me know in the comments below what you've been up to for Easter. This has been pretty much me, just kicking it, fiddling with stuff on the truck, and went and got some wood, fishing, a little bit of fishing down the dam and stuff like that. So yeah, just a nice chilled out weekend in isolation. So in the back of the truck, grab that battery out. So I've just got stuff charging in the truck there. Just got the blower. Try and get this wood's pretty wet from Friday, so we'll try and get it going a bit harder. This is cheating, but I don't care. It's the best way to get your bloody fire going. Just got the campfire oven on there. Got the stew going. Gonna cook some steak on the fire pit up there. Up on that grill as well. Camping in the yard ain't so bad. Got a little uni-flame table just here with me bare bones lantern dozer. Morning guys, beautiful day outside. I've just been pretty lazy this morning watching this fella. I'm going to explain it to you right now. That's why I love this rooftop tent, guys. Having my iPad up there, just catching up on videos and stuff, and yeah, but beautiful day today. Got the solar panel down there already cranking. Righto guys, well I guess it's time for me to get up and pack all my gear up. I've got to start getting ready for work tomorrow. I've got to take the canopy off. I've got to pack all my camping gear away and yeah, hook up my plant trailer, load up the bobcat and stuff. So yeah, hope you all had a good Easter weekend. I hope this killed some time for you and I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, let me know in the comments below what you did this weekend, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. So, cheers.